the month of Ramadan is coming, it is a month of compassion. It is a month of reaching out. It is a month of spreading wings. It is a month whereby the hearts are softened. We cannot ever have an accepted Ramadan with hard hearts. We need to soften the hearts. The people with the most difficult behavior tend to soften up during the month of Ramadan. I have visited prisons in some countries across the globe, in some countries, and it's called the correctional services, some call it prisons, etc. But the idea is to rehabilitate people after they've committed a crime or done something wrong, to be able to emerge from there, people who've pondered, reflected, and changed their lives, perhaps to be taken back into society, into community, in a way that they would be able to contribute once again towards the upliftment of the society and community. And when I visited some of these prisons, especially in South Africa, quite a few, and the wardens have always said, during Ramadan, these criminals, they become such that you would never believe they were even able to commit a crime. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us that way throughout the year. This is why we are taught that Ramadan is supposed to be a training for how you will be living throughout the year. We control the food intake in Ramadan in one way, and we should be controlling the food intake throughout the year in another way. I'm not allowed to just put in my mouth whatever I want throughout the year. I can't just take something without looking at whether it's halal or haram, permissible or prohibited, and I cannot just take it and put it in my mouth and think to myself, you know what? That's it. If I believe in Allah and the last day, I need to be concerned. What am I eating? Am I eating something okay? Did I buy it with money that was earned in a proper, pure way? Or did I purchase it with money that was perhaps dirty or stolen, or I got it through deception and so on? If that's the case, what blessings do I want? What do I want from the Almighty? What do you think the energy that is derived from such food is going to make you do? Do you really think that which went in negative is going to come out in terms of energy positive? No. So it's important for us to discipline ourselves. Islam is about discipline. It's about rules, regulations, governing the pure life that would actually make you content in this world, happy, looking forward to the Almighty, ensuring that we have built a relationship with the Maker who made us, so that when we return to Him, we're happy and we have succeeded in this world and the next.